So both Boeing and Airbus make similar type of aircrafts. They both make jets, single aisle and wide body. So it's going to be hard to tell the difference between when you come up to the gate to see whether you're flying on a Boeing aircraft or an Airbus aircraft. So today I'm going to help you with that and show you the difference between these two companies during aircrafts. But before we get into it, I want to give you some stats. So in 2023, Boeing has delivered 361 planes, and out of their 848 orders, and Airbus has delivered 488 planes out of their 1280 orders. So Airbus had more orders. Airbus is based in Toulouse, France, and Boeing is based in Seattle, in the US. So I thought I would just let you know the difference between where these two are based. So start things off. Airbus A320 and 737-800. This is the most basic model, so basic A320, basic 737-800. So, with the basic A320s, they have little wingtip fences. Boeing has their full-on winglets that go vertically up into the sky. One thing I want to make you aware of before we get into talking about wingtips is that Boeing has winglets and Airbus has sharklets. They're technically the same thing, they're still wingtips, but they do have different names for them, so I thought I'd make you aware of that. So the Airbus A320, let's have a look at their engine. Here's a diagram on the screen now. Their engine is practically a perfect circle. The landing gear is higher up, meaning the engine is a circle, as compared to Boeing, as their landing gear is lower to the ground, meaning they have an engine that's flat on the bottom. Here's diagrams on that. But that does also mean Boeing also has very little ground clearance between the engine and the tarmac. So Airbus has about that much between the Airbus and between the plane engine and the tarmac. So that's also something to be aware of. And another easy way to do it, especially when you come looking straight on at the plane, is the nose. Boeing has a pointy nose, which is almost in the shape of a triangle, where Airbus just has more of a rounded nose. Also, if you have a look at the cockpit windows on both of these aircraft, you'll see that the Boeing one is in a V shape, whereas the Airbus has more of a square shaped cockpit window. And the final thing to do is have a look at the wings. On Airbus wingtips, you have these little wingtip fences that go off the wing like this, and on Boeing you have the straight 90-degree ones that go into the sky. Now let's step it up a tiny bit. How do you tell the difference between an A320-1neo and a 737 MAX 9? Both are similar, and both can do transatlantic flights between London, New York, and Boston, and wherever else. The easiest way to tell the difference between these two is taking a look at the sharklets and the winglets. Airbus has only one sharklet, which goes 90 degrees into the air, and Boeing have two winglets, where one goes up at a vertical angle into the air, and another one goes vertical down towards the ground. So, let's move on from single-aisle aircraft and let's get on to the good stuff, wide bodies. We're going to start off with how to tell the difference between an Airbus A330 and a Boeing 777. And this is one of the most confusing comparisons, because some airlines operate both types of aircraft, and they look kind of similar. But the easiest way to remember it is by this. A Boeing 777 has a triple bogey. If you take a look at the Airbus A330, it only has a double bogey. And if you take a look at the winglets and sharklets of these two aircraft, you will see that the Airbus one has more of a 45-degree sharklet, whereas Boeing has nothing. It's a straight wing. Also, if it's an Airbus A330-200, the engines look really squished up, whereas Boeing has more of a full circle like the Airbus A320 and 20neo. And if you are enjoying this video so far, it would mean a lot to me if you would go down and hit that subscribe button and help me to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. But how do you tell the difference between an Airbus A350 and a Boeing 787 Dreamliner? Well, if I'm being honest, it's very easy. Unlike last time, don't take a look at the landing gear, they both have a triple bogey. But the easiest way to do it is taking a look at the wing tips. The Airbus Chocolate comes around like that in a beautiful shape, whereas the Boeing 787 comes out and to the side. And now the final two aircraft that we're going to be comparing is the Airbus A380 and the Boeing 747. So the Airbus A380 has 22 tires. Take a look at the Boeing 747 and it only has 18 tires. On top of that, the Boeing 747s have a hump to accommodate for only that 1/3 of an upper deck, whereas Airbus A380s have a full upper deck. That's all for today.